Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to share a Trello board. This is actually quite simple. First I open Trello and here I am in my dashboard. Now I go to the Trello board that I want to share and click on the share button at the top right. I can now add members here. If the person is already in my workspace, I can use the Trello username. Alternatively, I can always use the person's email address, which is what I'm doing in this example. If I share the Trello board, this is always done with the member status in the free version. If I only want to make the new user an observer, I need the upgrade. Finally, I can also add a message that will be displayed in the invitation. Once I have finished, I click on Share and the person receives an invitation. If you are now wondering how to add a user as an admin, you have first to wait until they have joined the board. Then I can also select admin here in the selection. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.